In this video, I will show you how to send a payment request on PayPal. To do this, go and open up PayPal, and in the bottom, you want to click on the button that says Send and Request. From there, set it to Request, and then search for the person you want to request a payment from. So you can search people you have already done payments to or from before, or you can search for new people by entering their email or username. Now just click on one right here. Then choose how much you want to request and in what currency. Then you can add a message, for example, what it is for, and then from there click on Next. And now here you have your request. So then all you need to do is click Request Now, and after you click Request Now, your request will be sent to them, and then once they pay, you will have it in your balance. So that's how to send a payment request on PayPal. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.